Hey everyone and good morning to all of you. In this class, I will cover class 6 maths chapter number 4. So, basics geometrical idea. Exercise 4.1 question number 1. Use the figure to name. So here you can see this figure is given here. 5 point. Okay, you have to name 5 point from this figure. And a line, 4 rays and 5 line segment. Points means we know if I will make one point. Now this is what? Point A, isn't it? Now again one more point I will write here B. Now if you will join this will become what? Line segment. Now if I will write one point here, if I will give like this, then this is what? Ray, isn't it? So from this figure you have to say 5.5 and a line. Okay, you have to say a line and 4 rays and 5 line. So question number 1 answer, you can see this figure. First 5 point, isn't it? So 5 pointer, you can say any point from here 5. Now D is a point, E is a point, O is a point, B is a point and C is a point. So O, B, C, D, E. These are the 5 points. Now next a line. Now you have to say line, isn't it? So D, E. You can see from D point to E. This is one line. Again I will zoom it out. You can see here D to E. This is one line. Now D and B. Now from D to B. D to B is also one line, isn't it? D to B is also one line. Now OE. Now again O and E. This is also a line. Then again OB. Now OB is also line. You can take OC also, okay? OC is also a line. But you need to write only 4. So 4 a line is done. Now you have to say 4 rays. OD. OD is one ray, you can see. Now when you will write ray, you have to give this symbol above the value, okay? OD and above you have to give this ray, okay? When you will write line, then you have to give only like this, okay? Line segment or line. Now again OE. OE is also one ray and OC is another ray and OB. These are the rays. Now next 4 line segment. Now 4 line segment DE. Now DE is one line. In the same way OE is one line and OC is also line. OB is also line. You have to write only 4, okay? You need to write only 4. No need of writing all the line segment. You can write only 4. Now come to next question. Question number 2. Name the line given in all possible 12 ways, choosing only 2 letters at a time from the 4 given. Okay, I will read the question once again. Name the line given in all possible 12 ways. Means you have to write in 12 different ways, choosing only 2 letters at a time from the 4 given. So here it is given 4, isn't it? What is given? A, B, C, D. Now you have to take only 2 and you have to write all possible, means 12 ways. You have to write 12 line, okay? You have to write 12 line. Now you can say AB is one line, again AC is the another line, again AD also another line, isn't it? In the same way BC is one line, again BD is one line and CD is line, isn't it? In the same way again from in the opposite way DC is one line, DB is one line, DA is one line. In this way you have to write. I will show you the answer. So here you can see the answer. I will draw the line A, B, C, D, isn't it? These are A, B, C, D. Now line AB. Now AB is one line, isn't it? Now again AC is one line. In the same way, AD is another line. So we got three line. Now again from B, if you will start from B, BC is one line. In the same way, BD is another line. So we got how much total? 5. Now from C, you can see from C, CD is one line, isn't it? CD is one line. Now if you will see in the reverse, now we are writing line, isn't it? Not line segment, not ray. So you can go in the opposite way also. Now what you will take? You will take BA, BA. Now again CA. Now again DA, isn't it? In the same way we got this much. Now again you can take what? CB, isn't it? You can take CB, then again DB, and last what is remaining? DC. So these are all the numbers. So total how many numbers we got? 12 numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 9 10 11 12 numbers. So we got 12 different lines. So these are line. So suppose this is one line A B. So we can say this line AB also, and we can say line AB also, and line, what we can say, line BA also. Okay, it is same, AB or BA. We can name in either way. Now question number 3. Use the figure to name line containing point E. Line containing point E means you have to say any line, but that line should contain E. Okay, you can say this is the figure, isn't it? Now line containing E means you have to say any line. This line is also containing E. If you will say this line, then also it is containing what? E. And if you will say BE, then BE is also containing E, isn't it? AE is also containing E. In this way you have to say some line which contain E. Okay, now come to next question. Line passing through A. Now you have to name a line passing through A. Now which line is passing through A? You have to say which line. So you can see these are the line, isn't it? These are the line which passing through A. Then see line on which O lie. Now a line where O lie. So this is the line, isn't it? These are the line where O lie. These are the line where O lies. I will show you the answer properly. I am just explaining now. Now D, two pair of intersecting line. Intersecting means what we know, isn't it? These are the intersecting, means when two lines cross each other is called intersecting. So which are the intersecting line which crossed? Now this line, isn't it? This line and this line cross each other. In the same way this line and this line will be the intersecting line. Now you have to write the name. So answer for question number 3, we can see the figure. This is the given figure. Now a line containing, isn't it? This is T, okay? A line containing E. Now which are containing E? You can see here AE. This is A, okay? I forgot to write here. This is A. Now A is the line where E is containing, or you can say a line FE. This is also the line FE which contain E. Now next B, a line passing through A is equal to, now which line passing through A? Which line passing through A is what? AE, isn't it? AE, or which is the line AD, isn't it? AE or AD. Now see answer, a line on which O lies. Now in which line O lie? You can say CO is the line where O is lying, or you can say OC. Okay, you can say OC. Now I forgot to give the bar. Here you have to give bar, and here also you have to give bar. So these are the answer for A, B and C. Now for question number D, two pairs of intersecting lines are. Now which are the two pairs of intersecting line? This is A, this is A, okay, this is A. Now AD, intersecting means we know the line which will cut each other, isn't it? And that will be what? AD and CO. And the next will be what? FEN. FEN, you can say AE, or you can say BE or DE. But I have written what? AE and FE. These are the two line of intersecting, isn't it? And this one, AD and CO. This is your answer for question number 3. Now question number 4. How many line can passes through one given point and two given point? Okay. So come to the answer. So how many line we can draw in a given point? So one point is given here A, isn't it? So one point is given here A. Now from here how many line you can draw? Suppose this is the point. Suppose this is the point, and from here how many line we can draw? We can draw as many as, isn't it? We can draw as many as line from one point, isn't it? So what will be your answer? Infinite numbers. Your answer will be infinite number of line can passes through one given point. So from one given point, infinite numbers of line can passes through. Now B is given in two given point, isn't it? Now here you can see point A and point B. Here how many line we can draw? Only one line, isn't it? Here it is one point and here it is one point. So how many line we can draw between these two point? Only one. If you will draw another line, that line will be not passing through this point, this 2 point, isn't it? So only one line can passes through two given points. So in two given point, only one line can be passes through. Now come to question number 5. Draw a rough figure and level in each of the following case. Suitably in each of the following case. Now here it is given A, point P lie on AB. Means you have to write one AB line, one AB you have to draw, and P should be lie here. Okay, P should be lie anywhere here. Next question, OX and PQ intersect at M. Means you have to draw one XY, sorry, not OX. Now come to question number 5. Draw a rough figure and level suitably in each of the following case. Now number A, point P lie on AB. You have to draw one AB line and P should be lie in that point. Okay, suppose this is A and this is B and P lie in the line AB. In the same way, the next question is XY and PQ intersect at M. Intersect means what we know, when a line cut each other, isn't it? Now which will be the intersecting point? Which will be the intersecting? This will be the intersecting. So they will intersect at where? They will intersect at M. And this line will be what? XY, and this will be PQ. XY, PQ, and they intersect at M. In this way you have to draw. I will show you the answer in neat and clean way. Now question number C. Line L contain EF but not D. Means there is one line. There is one line called what? L. In this line what is containing here? E and F. Okay, E and F is here, but D is not there. That means D you have to write anywhere here. Okay, in outside you have to write D. Now question number D. OP and OQ meet at O. Now OP and OQ. OP and OQ. This is what line OP and line OQ. If there is a bar, that means what? They are line, isn't it? Line OP and OQ. Here O is common or not? Suppose this is point O, then here it will be point OP. This is what? OP, and one more it will be what? OQ. In this way you have to draw, okay? OP and OQ, because O is common for both the line. So I will show you the answer. So here is answer for A. So there is line AB. You can see line AB and P is on line AB. And for the next one, this is XY and PQ, and M is the intersecting point, isn't it? Now next, you can see here, there is a line L, isn't it? This is the line L. Here E and F is there, and D is not on the line. So D is in outside. You can write the D here also, okay? Now next, there is what? A line OP and OQ, isn't it? So this is line OP and this is line OQ. So here it is, this is what? Common point for both the figure. So this is your answer. You have to draw in this way. Now come to next question. Question number 6. Consider the following figure of line MN. So you have to consider this line MN. Say whether following statement are true or false in the context of the given figure. So in the context of this given figure, this is true or false, you have to say. Now A, Q, M, O, N, P. Q, M, O, N, P are point on the line M, N, isn't it? So this is what? True. This will be true. This answer will be what? True. Now next B, M, O, N are point on the line segment MN. Yes, in MN these 3 points are there, isn't it? So this will be also true. Now C, M and N are end point of line segment MN. Now if you will take only point MN, N, isn't it? So what is the end point here? M, and here the another end point is what? N. So this is what? This will be also true. This question is also true. Now D, O and N are end point of line segment OP. Now where is OP? You can see this is OP, isn't it? So in the OP, which are the end point? O is one end point and another P. But here in question it is given N. Now N is in the middle of line OP, isn't it? Not end point. So this will be what? This will be false. Now E, M is one of the end point of line segment QO. Now this is what? Q and this is O. Now E na. M is one of the end point. Now for O and for Q and O, M is not the end point, isn't it? M is in the middle. So this will be what? False. E is also false. A is true, B also true, C also true, and D is false, and E is also false. Now I will clean up all this. Now next E is false. Now F, M is point on ray OP. Now this is OP, isn't it? Now M is point on ray OP, but M is here, isn't it? Now where is the ray OP? OP is here, but M is not in this line. So this will also be what? False. This is also false. Now G, ray OP. Now from here ray OP, this is the ray OP, is different from ray OP. So this question, I think the printing mistake is there. Let me check this question once again. Here it is given ray OP is different from ray OP. Let me check the question again. F is false. Okay, first you write down F is false. Yes, this G question. So G will be what? True. Ray OP is different from ray QP. This is QP. This is not OP, this is ray QP. So this will be what? True. Now next, ray OP same as ray OM. Now OP, this is ray OP and ray OM. Now is this same? No, isn't it? So it is not same, this different, so it will be false. Now ray OM is not opposite to ray OP. Now OM is not opposite, it is but opposite, isn't it? Now here I will show you a line here. This is M, this is O, and this is P, and this is also ray, and this is also ray. So in I it is given ray OM. So this is ray OM. This is what? Ray OM, isn't it? Now this is ray OM is not opposite. Is not opposite to ray OP, but they are what? Opposite, isn't it? One ray is in this side, left side, and the another is right side. This is left side, this is right side. So this will be what? False. This will be false. Now O is not an initial point of, initial means what? Midpoint, okay, middle point. Initial point of NP. This is NP, N, again NM. Is their initial point? Yes, they are not initial point, isn't it? So I have done with this exercise. The first exercise of chapter number 4 is completed. So thank you all of you for watching my video. If you have any doubt, you can comment in my video. So stay safe and stay home. Bye bye, and see you soon in my next video.